Okay, so you've just received your Fusion staff in the mail. We have the staff, and depending on what spokes you ordered, you can have the claws, fire spokes, LED spokes, the hubs, the colored rings that go with the F grip, and an Allen key. So first of all, we want to take the hubs and the spokes and connect those in 3 or 4 spokes per hub, depending on your configuration that you selected. So for me, I'm going to set up the 3 spokes. Just connect the spoke like this, tighten it up, and we just simply tighten up this screw here once we've inserted the spokes. So I'm using the long handle of the tool to get a good amount of tension on those screws like that. So that's one hub ready to attach to the staff. Putting the color rings on is rather simple. You just stretch it over the grip and put it into position, and there we go. Putting the staff together, you're just inserting the handle end into the end and clipping it over the O-ring and then tightening it by twisting like that. And the same with the hub, also goes into the end of the staff and twist to tighten. And then you've got the staff and one end set up, and we just repeat that for the other end. Once I've put on my colors in the way I like, I've put on both ends with the spokes in each end. I've got my full dragon ready to go. This is all tight. The handles, the connection, the hubs, all tightened up, and we're ready to go.